Okay, drawing the building. Should leave myself some room over here to do some work. Drawing the building. Don't know how tall it is. But we know we have a ball. It's thrown at 22.2 meters per second horizontally, Vx, 22.2 meters per second. So it's going to land, it's going to go in a parabola. It's going to land. The landing point is 36.0 meters away. We have to find out how tall the building is. So we actually have more horizontal information than we have vertical information. So I'm going to end up starting looking horizontally here. Horizontally, I have the speed, 22.2 meters per second. That's going to be a constant speed. Horizontal speed is constant for projectiles. And it's going to travel an x displacement of 36.0 meters. That can be used to find how long this ball is in the air for the time. Velocity equals displacement divided by time. That's just a definition of the formula for velocity. It's going to be rearranged for time. When you rearrange it, it'll end up being displacement over velocity. 36.0 over 22.2, giving us the time. So I'm going to get that in my calculator. It's going to be 1.622 seconds, rounding it a little bit, but keeping an extra digit here. Okay, underlining 3 digits because both of those inputs have 3 digits. Okay, that can be transferred to my vertical information. Vertically, I also know that we're starting with 0 meters per second of vertical velocity. And we have an acceleration due to gravity of 9.8 meters per second squared and down. We need to know how tall the building is, so if we can figure out the displacement that the ball falls down vertically, delta dy, then that's how tall the building is going to be. Well, the magnitude of it is going to be how tall the building is going to be. There's a nice formula for that, one of the uniform acceleration formulas, number 3, which is conveniently already rearranged for the displacement. This value is 0, the initial velocity. So it's just going to be half times 9.8 times the time 1.622 squared. So, I have not cleared that time value for my calculator yet, so that's good. I'll leave it there. I'll hit squared, multiply by 9.8, divided by 2, giving me 12.9, or rounded to 2 sig figs, 13 meters down. 2 sig figs because 9.8 only had 2 sig figs. Okay, so that's the y displacement. That's basically the height. Okay, the building is 13 meters tall.